name is Susanna. Welcome to Susanna's How To. Today I will let my brother help me to make a cola volcano. Now I'll tell you what we need. We need a paper towel and a Coke, some salt, and something to put the Coke in. I used a bowl and a plate. So if the Coke is inside here, this is a Coke. If it's inside here, it will go on the plate. Now I will tell you how to do it. I can let my brother screw the cap off. If you are a kid, please let an adult help you. We put the Coke inside the bowl, and then we can put like a spoon of salt on top the paper towel. And then you can roll it and then put it inside the Coke. Fun, right? Now my brother gonna try. Maybe it won't work now because it's not on the top. It didn't work the 2 times because sometimes if you make volcano, you need to let it like this, and if you put salt in, it will come out. If it's like no, like here, you put salt in, it will come out. Yummy. Thank you for watching Susanna's How To. Please hit a thumbs up.